Very good morning. In this session, I am going to discuss in detail about the basic Linux command. I am Dr. Srithar, Associate Professor, Department of Experiential Learning, KL University. Today, I am going to discuss in detail about 12 basic commands. It starts with who am I, so which will display the username of your Linux machine, and PWD stands for present working directory, which will return the current path for your directory, whereas ls command which will return the files and folders, where ll command which will give the detailed information about the folder, which means the file permission and who is the owner of the user, and group which belong to, and last modified file date. Everything will be listed by using this ll command. And mkdir followed by the directory name, which will create a new empty directory. If I want to move into the directory, we need to use the command called cd space the directory name, which will move your cursor into that particular directory. Next, if I want to create one file, you can simply use the command called touch followed by file1.txt. If you want to create multiple files in a row, then touch followed by file. You need to mention number of files in your in the curly braces dot txt, which will create multiple files in a same folder. Now, if I want to open a file, simple command is vim editor, that is va followed by the file name, and you can able to do some editing with that file followed by to save that information. You can keep escape followed by colon wq, and if you want to display the contents available in the file, simply you can use the command called cat followed by the file name, which will display the contents present in the file, whereas wc command which will return the word count, which will return the line numbers, words as well as the characters. If you want specifically you need only letter, only character or only word, we just insert hyphen followed by L, W or C. Now if you want to display the current month calendar, simply use the command called cal. If you want any specific month, you just mention the month followed by the year. It will display the particular month as well as the year calendar. If you want to display the current system date, then use the command called date. And if you need some other specific information, then plus followed by percentage symbol. You just mention R capital X, R small x, or E, R B. You can try with all the possible commands. So now I'm going to show all these things in a practical. Let's move into my CentOS machine. I just log into my CentOS Linux machine. Now you can just take your terminal, just zoom it. Okay. So the first command is who am I? As I already told you, it will return my username. The next command is pwd. It will return my present working directory. My present working directory is /home and /Srithar. Now ls command which will return the files and folders available in the particular path. So it is display all the files and folder informations. Now ll means it is a long list which will give the detailed description, as I already said. You see that. So these are all the file permission, then the owner name, group name, followed by at what time the file gets modified. All these details are displayed under the ll command. For example, Control L to clear the screen, and I want to create one new directory called KLU, that is mkdir followed by KLU. Just now it is created. Check it with the ls command. See that there is a KLU folder is created. Now I want to enter into the directory. So cd space KLU to enter into the directory. So now if I want to create one file, for example, touch followed by file 1.txt, one file gets created. Let's check with the ls command. You see that there is one file created. If you want to create more than one files, we need to use that curly braces, that is touch followed by file within curly braces 2 dot dot 5. I'm closing and txt, which means that it will create file number 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now enter, now check it out. You see that you can see 5 files, file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now what I should do is I want to open one file. Let's say an example, I'm going to do the exercise in the file 1.txt. So I need to open the file v8 followed by file 1.txt. Just enter. It will open a editor. Here you can type your contents. That is, hi, I am Srithar. For doing the upcoming exercise, I need some content. So I'm keeping some repeated information also. Welcome to Linux admin class. Again, I can keep the same. Welcome to Linux class. So this time I'm keeping the Linux as something like some uppercase, lowercase letter combined. Admin class. Then this course is offered by KL University, and happy learning. Okay, so similarly we just to keep some basic information. If I want to save this file, escape, then colon wq to save the files. Now save the information. Now if I want to display the content available in the file, as usual, as I said, cat followed by file 1.txt, which will return all the contents available in your file. So, okay, so now what we can do is let's execute the word count command. Word count wc followed by file 1.txt. Let's see. So 6 indicates number of lines, 26 indicates number of words, 144 indicates number of characters. Now, if I want to display only the specific character hyphen C, similar to that, you can try for all the combination, that is word as well as line. It will display 144 characters for file 1.txt. Okay, so now I'm going to use the calendar command, that is cal. So it will display the current month calendar. Now what can I do is, if I want some specific month and year, then you just mention calendar followed by, for example, May 1990. This is my birth year. So if I try to display, you can see that May 1990, that information is currently displaying. Similar to that, date command. If I am giving the date command, it will return the current date. As I already told you, if I want to specifically display if you want to display specific information about the date, let's see, date followed by plus sign, then percentage and capital R. Let's see, it will return the current timings alone. If I am using small r, it will display the hour, minute and second and AM. If I am using capital X, you see that again it is displaying same. If I am using small x, it will display the current date. Similar to that, you can specifically display the date information. So that's it about the basic commands 1. Happy learning. Thank you.